Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Today's hair tutorial, we're going to be creating threading hairstyle. Yes, are you that mom that is looking for a threading hairstyle for your child? This threading hairstyle tutorial is yours. I'm just going to walk you through on how to create this hairstyle and also how to maintain it and some benefits that your child can also get from threading hairstyle. So are you ready? Come let me walk you through on how you can make this hairstyle. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also like this video, comment and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. And if you have tried it before, also let me know. Okay, so let's get started guys. As usual, before you start, don't forget to moisturize the hair and spray it with either water or rosemary water. So what I did, I sectioned the hair first into two from front till the back, just like so. After finishing sectioning like this, because we are going to line this hair into four parts, so each side I'm going to section it into four. This is the hair gel I'm going to be using. I'm going to put the link of this hair gel in the description section, so in case you are interested, you can just go ahead and order it. So after maintaining this part this way, you see I sectioned the other side two and this side two, so everything all together is going to be four. So this way, and I'll start lining it down just like so. And after this, I use rubber band to start holding it down. So what I will always say to you is try to use what is best for you, and yeah, in case you don't like this hedge control that I'm using, you can always go for the one you like, but I always recommend you try a different product. In case the one you have or you like to use is not in stock, you can have another one to fall back to. So that is why I recommend you try different products. Like this one I'm using right now is really working well, like it's good. So check out the description section for the link in case you are interested. So you see the way I am lining the hair. So I'm using rubber band to hold it. I always say before when you want to make your kids threading hairstyle, use rubber band to hold it. But today I'm going to just try it like this, because I'm using a different wool this time. So like different wool from the one I'm using for my kids before. I'm using baby wool, I'm not using Brazilian wool. So that is why I'm going to try it to use to thread the hair without rubber band. I want to know if they will still complain. You see that it's not tight, there's still space. So when you are doing it, you leave some space. Like don't thread it too tight, so that they'll feel comfortable in it, and yeah. So I'm using 4 strands of wool for this hairstyle. And what I'm doing right now, after I finish, I'm almost at the end. I have to comb it, comb it in case there is tangle anywhere, to detangle it. But if not, you can just continue threading it. So what I did here is, after I pass half almost to the end, I reduce the strands I am using to 2 strands of wool instead of 4. So but when I'm about to tie it, just some few seconds to tie it, I will reduce the strands again to 1. But if you also see that it's okay, you can continue with the 2, because sometimes I continue with 2, sometimes I finish it with 1. It depends. All right, so after doing it, I will fold it, because I'm going to tie the hair, and there's this curling that I want, that I always do. So that is why I roll the hair. So, and you see what I did right now, I spray the hair, I comb it with a big comb, then before I use the tiny comb to comb it. This way you detangle the hair, it will make the hair like detangled, and it will be okay, smooth, just to smooth the hair and everything. So, and another thing is, if you don't want to wrap the hair, it's also fine. You can just like leave it this way. I'm going to create this hairstyle very soon for my other daughter, just like the way I wrote it now. So I'm going to like just create a tutorial for this. So how to maintain this hairstyle, apart from you not making it that tight, and I recommend you use edge control to smoothen your child hair. This way it will make the hair last longer, in case you are the type that carry hair for a bit longer. As for me, I don't, my kids carry hair every 2 weeks, but some people they take it for a month. So either I'm taking it for a week or a month to make the hair look always fresh. And I recommend you always use hair gel to or edge control, whichever way you want, to smoothen the hair before you make it. Either you are making braid or you are doing threading. This way it will be okay. And another thing is, to maintain this hair, you have to be spraying it maybe 3 to 4 times a week, if not every day, but 3 to 4 times a week. Spray it very little, but apply oil. Oil is very good for the hair. So if you want your child hair to keep healthy and to be okay, always be applying hair oil. So for my kids, I have 3 girls that are making their hair here. So most of the times what I do, once in a month, I pick the tip of their hair off. Like I just trim it a little. So maybe next time I'm going to do, maybe I might create a tutorial for it. But most of the time, once a month, I just like kind of pick a little from on top of their hair. But you see, their hair is still growing very well. So threading hairstyle is also good. Sorry guys for that. So threading hairstyle is also good if you are this kind of person that like to iron your kids' hair. So no need to be using this heat combing iron and all that. It's not really that healthy for our hair. So do threading hairstyle. It will straighten the hair. So sorry guys. So now I am done with the hair. You see, after I rolled everything done, so I unrolled them. That's when I wrap them. So I have created a lot of tutorial where I wrap hair. So just to bring 3 together, thread it, and as you thread it a little bit far, add another one to it. You thread it just the way I added that one to it. Keep adding it to it until you are done. So I wrap these 2 sides together, and I wrap the other 2 sides together. See the way I'm adding it now, just like so. As you thread it far, you add another one. You thread it far, you add another one, just until you are done. So, and when I'm wrapping hair, what I normally do, if I use 4 strands of wool to make hair, I reduce it to 2 to wrap it. When I'm wrapping it, I use 2 strands of wool. So if I have a long one in the hair that I made, the tip of the hair, I just keep using those ones to continue to thread. You see the way I'm doing it now, I'm not taking any wool again. I'm using from the ones I made already. So that's it. After that, I will just, if I see that I've threaded far a little bit, then I will just tie it. Then when I tie the one I used to tie it, I leave it aside. I will cut the remaining part off, then use lighter to burn it just to secure it. Then you bring it, just fold it. Look for any part, any place inside to just to put the hair and tie it there. You are good to go. You see what I did right now. So I burned it, and after you tie it, please, when you want to burn it, after you tie it to the root of the hair, lower your lighter. Don't make it too high, so that you don't go and end up burning your child's hair. So you see, this is the result of this hair. And see what I'm doing right now. I'm tying it there, and when I'm tying it, I'm not just tying it to exactly the root. So I will raise it a little bit in case I want to burn the remaining part, so I don't end up burning my daughter's scalp. So sorry guys for the noise. My baby is just, we are making this hair together, so she's trying to also say that she's also here. So after this now, I applied oil. This is self-made oil. So if you're interested to know, or if you want to know this kind of oil I'm using, you want to also make it for yourself, so just let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial of this oil I'm using on my child's hair. So guys, see, These are the things I use. Hope you like this video. Bye.